Hi, welcome to Cooking's channel. This is Nico. During the live show, I will introduce this dry caustic ultralight wok to you. So, how much does this wok have? I will tell you all the details in the following show. Well, first, as you can see, it's packed in the mailbox. Since we sell this product on our domestic market online, the packaging must be mailboxed with ISTA drop tests to ensure the safety during the delivery. The packaging from the CookerKing are well designed. We do our best in terms of space and the cost will remain safe. Now I will open it to show the inner strategy for your reference. Okay, let me introduce this wok first. The size is 30 cm, the height is 9.1 cm. Do you believe it? This wok is only 600 grams. It breaks traditional impression that decorating cookware must be very heavy, so our ladies can hold it very easily. Let me show you. Okay, let me focus on the inside. This is non-stick coating. Of course, you have another options like marble, granite, and ceramic. The coating brands we have like Wok, Teflon, Elac, KFCC. We have thick authorized if you need. And as you can see, there is no rivets on the surface, so we can clean it very easily. And we don't worry something attached on this part. Okay, let me show you the outside. This is heat-resistant lacquer. The color can be changed as you like. Just offer us the pantry number or cut sample. Okay, let me show you the button. This is for induction button. That means we can use these products in all kinds of stovetops like gas, electric, induction. Look at the button. This is patented. It gains patented protection. When we use it, it will not convex. Okay, let me show you the handle. This is bakelite handle with soft charge. I guess you must notice there is orange part. This is a thermometer. When we heat the wok, the color will change. That means it's time for us to put the food in. Look, there is a hole at the end of the handle. So we can hang this wok on the wall to save the space. Okay, let me show you the glass lid. As you can see, this glass lid is transparent, so we can see the inside condition very easily. The color of the knob is same color as the handle. They are also changeable. I like this knob very much because it can stand on the table. It will save a lot of space for us. Let me show you. It's really fantastic design, right? Okay, friends, if you want to customize your logo, you can emboss the logo on the bottom. There's a logo on the body, so you can printing logo on the handle or the glass lid. It's up to you. Okay, finally, I want to share some advantages to cooperate with CookerKing. You know, we always regard our customer as our partner. We develop new cookware together and with hot selling cheap in the market. So, if you have some innovation in your mind, a technician will realize it in draft. there is a big team in our R&D department to support us. And all the cookware from CookerKing can pass food-grade tester like DGCCRF, LFGB, and FDA. If you are from Europe, you must be interested in product recycle project. We've got RCS certification for the 100% aluminum die-casting cookware. If you are interested, please contact with us. We will tell you more details about that. Yes, maybe someone see the NOQ is a little high. Yes, I know it's hard to start a business if you are new in this industry. The normal NOQ for OEM is at least 1,000 pieces per item. But now, you have another choice to get a small NOQ. You could be our agency. We have agency abroad, and their business is good now. So we think you can try it. Okay, friends, if you want to know more information about cooking, you can visit our website or contact with us directly. We are always waiting for you. See you next time. Bye.